my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through eyes covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Hey guys, in this video today we'll be adding Mauve Avenger skin to the AWM that I unboxed almost 2 years ago. If you haven't checked out that video, link will be there in the description. Actually, I always wanted to own an upgradable skin in PUBG, but it's too expensive, so I decided to make it in real life. Let's begin. So first we'll open up this body and paint it purple. And the only piece we need to paint is this and this whole pipe. While the paint is drying, we will cut off this part, we don't need it. We'll place battery instead of it. For the 12 volt power supply, I'll be using three 3.7 volt batteries. As you can see, I've connected them in series. So this is the positive end and this is the negative end. I'll be also using a BMS battery management system to charge and discharge it. So now as you can see, all connections are complete, and I have also attached these wires. The short ones are for charging and the longer ones are to power EL wire. Now the paint is dried, so I actually removed the top of the gun and will be adding this 12 volt battery that I made and keeping it right here, but few of these pieces will be in our way, so we need to cut them. Now I've drawn this arrow on both the sides and also carve out a little bit so that our EL wire can stick perfectly, and I'll be using super glue to stick EL wire on it. So I'll be using this pink EL wire. It comes with a 12 volt converter that converts 12 volt DC to 12 volt AC. As you can see, it glows pretty well and it is perfect for our project. So if you observe Mauve Avenger skin very carefully, you will notice there is something like this on its backside and something like this on its front. So we will use this audio splitter and this tire from RC car, and we will just remove this and use this and this. Okay, so now as you can see, I have staked the EL wire according to my drawings, and this is where the tire will go, and I already stick this piece right here. Now I attached this push switch and this adapter so that we can charge our battery, and this will light EL wire out. Now finally all the wirings are completed. I also stick this converter right here. This is adapter, this is switch, and I have connected it directly to the battery. And yeah, this is the output of the converter. Now I also have this blue EL wire. As you can see, there is no connector, so we need to solder it. To solder EL wire, you first need to remove this blue covering on it and then this one. So after you remove this white covering, you will find this wire, two thinner ones and a thicker one. You can solder positive and negative to either of those, but I will solder positive to this thicker wire and negative to this thinner wire. After you connect the positive wire, you just need to slide this heat shrink tube over and keep a little thinner wire exposed so that you can solder negative wire to it. Now I also connected this negative wire, and you can also put a bigger piece of heat shrink tube if you have it, but I will just use electric tape. Now I have marked these points where I need to drill the hole so that our EL wire can pass through it. Finally I have attached this wire, and now I only need to attach this part. Now I also stick this part of the wire at the back, this cap too, and the only thing remaining is to repaint these areas where the paint has came off. And we also need to put a green strip over here, here and here. You can paint it too, but I will be using this green A4 size paper. As you can see, the color matches pretty well, and I already marked the parts that I need to cut. For this piece I will be using this matchbox cardboard that I have painted purple on inside, and outside I have just take this A4 size paper. So finally all these pieces are at their places, and I have also put the screws back. So now let me explain how EL wire is covering the whole gun. So the pink EL wire starts from here and it goes all the way up to here. Then it is bent around to here, and I also painted on top of it so it looks like it is going in the muzzle, but it's not. And then it comes all the way to here and it ends. For the blue air wire, it is starting from here, then going in this hole, then coming out from this hole. Inside of it it's like this, and it's ending in this one, and same thing for the other side as well. So it's connected with two connectors, one is for blue EL wire and other one is for pink EL wire. So I hope you like this project. If you liked it, make sure to drop a like in this video and share it with your other PUBG friends. And if you want to make this for yourself, a link to the products that I've used will be in the description, so don't forget to check them out as well. Thank you for watching. Bye.